Hello guys, welcome back again. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach about the equation on the boards, whereby we are being taught to simplify. This one is just an algebraic expression. We need to simplify, we need to factorize the numerator and also factorize the denominator. Now numerator is 6x minus 3ay minus 4bx plus 2by divided by 8ax plus 2by minus 16ax minus 4by. So we are going to factorize the numerator. Having done that, then we go ahead to factorize the denominator. Now let's start. So the numerator, we have got 6ax. So we can pair them so that we have two parts. The first part to be 2, the second part also to be 2. So pairing them means that we are going to be having them to be placed in a 2, 2. Now, 6ax and negative 3ay, we have the common factor in 6ax and negative 3ay. So the common factor in 6ax, the one that can divide 6ax and negative 3ay, is 3a. So 3a is a common factor in the numerator parts, the first two parts. So in take 6ax divided by 3a, we are going to be left with 2x. Because 6 divided by 3 is a 2. A divided by a is a 1. Then we have x remaining. Then we subtract 2. 3ay divided by 3a. So 3 divided by 3 is a 1. A divided by a is also a 1. So we are left with y. So that is the first part. Then the second part, we got negative 4bx and 2by. So the common factor in the second part is negative 2b. You open the second bracket now. Now, when you take a negative, divide by a negative divided by a negative, we are going to obtain a positive number. A 4 divided by a 2 is a 2. A b divided by a b is a 1. So b cancels b. Then we have x remaining. Then a positive divided by a negative, we are obtaining a negative. Then 2b divided by 2b, they cancel one another, they simplify. Then we are left with only a y. So we can see that whatever is inside the bracket in the first part is the same as the bracket of the second part, 2x minus y. So I'm going to take whatever is outside the bracket, which is 3a. We're going to subtract with this 2b. Subtracting 2b, you close the bracket. That is the first bracket. Then the second bracket, because these are the same, we pick any one. That becomes 2x. You subtract a y. So this is factorizing the numerator. Then again we come to factorize the denominator. The denominator we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also pair them so that they are going to be in a group of 2, 2. So we're going to pair 8ay with 2by. So 8ay, 2by, the common factor we are going to have to be 2b. The one which can divide 8ay and 2by is going to be 2y. Sorry, it is going to be 2y. So got 2y, take it outside the bracket, open the bracket. 8 divided by 2. We are left with a 4. Then a is remaining. Then y is going to simplify the y, so that we are not going to be left with any y. Then plus 2 divided by 2 is a 1. So 2 will cancel 2. Then b is remaining. b. Then y will simplify y. So that is the first bracket. Then we go to the second pair in the denominator. We have negative 16ax and negative 4bx. So the common factor in the second part is negative 4 x. So now look, this negative divided by a negative, we are going to obtain a positive number. 16 divided by 4 is a 4. We have a here, so a is going to remain because it is not divided. Then x divided by x, the x's are going to simplify. The negative divided by a negative is a positive number. Then we got 4 divided by a 4, they cancel one another, they simplify. Then b is not in the divisor, so we're going to have b. X will simplify x. So the denominator we got, whatever is inside the bracket is 4a plus b, and another 4a plus b. So we're going to say, we're going to 2y minus what is outside the bracket, that is 4x. You multiply by 4a plus a b. Now, the first bracket, we got the common factor, 2y and 4 negative 4x. So the common factor in the first bracket becomes 2 into bracket 2y divided by 2, we are left with a y minus 4x divided by 2 is a 2x, close the bracket, into bracket 4a plus a b. So the numerator factorization was 3a minus 2b into bracket 2x minus y divided by the denominator, which is 2 into bracket y minus 2x, close the bracket, into bracket 4a plus a b. Now, when you look at this one, it's not the same as this one, but can be made to be the same. This bracket and this bracket can be made to be the same. So you can introduce negative in either the numerator or the denominator. So we can have this to be 3a minus 2b. Then introduce the negative outside, negative 1. You multiply by negative 1. So I have the second bracket, negative 1, multiplied by. This one now gets to be, when you take negative outside, so the sign before 2x will change to negative 2x, then plus y. Divide by 2 into bracket y minus 2x, close the bracket, into bracket 4a plus a b. So this one and this one are the same, so they cancel one another. They simplify one another, we simplify. So now we are left with negative 1. So the final answer is going to be negative 1 into bracket 3a minus 2b over denominator. We are left with 2 into bracket 4a plus b. So that is the final answer. So we can reach that point, we can stop at that particular point. So subscribe for more updates, and also feel free to contact me.